I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda CRV rear seat latch that won't fold down. First, always begin by checking for any visible obstructions around the seat latch mechanism. Make sure no items like bags or debris are blocking the latch. Also, confirm that the seat belt is not caught in the folding path, as this is a common issue. Ensure the seat is fully upright and locked before attempting to fold it. Next, lubrication can often resolve a sticky latch. Use a silicone-based lubricant, not an oil-based one, and apply it generously to the latch mechanism and any visible parts of the cable. Work the latch handle several times to help the lubricant penetrate and distribute evenly. While you are there, take a moment to visually inspect the latch cable for any signs of fraying, kinks, or other damage. If lubrication doesn't work, the cable might need adjustment or replacement. You will typically find the cable connection point underneath the seat cushion or behind the seat back panel. Carefully check the tension. If it feels too loose, it might not be pulling the latch far enough. Some models allow for minor tension adjustments. If the cable is visibly broken or severely stretched, replacement is the best solution. If you have tried all these steps and the rear seat latch still won't fold down, it might be time to consult a professional mechanic. There could be a more complex internal mechanism issue or a broken component that requires specialized tools or expertise. Remember, regular cleaning and lubrication of your seat mechanisms can prevent future problems. Always avoid forcing the seat, as this can cause further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.